Guys. Hello, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. This is Godwin Emmanuel, and I want to just do a quick review on what we analyzed on Wednesday morning. That was yesterday morning. That was going to happen to the pairs, and as you guys can see, it played out 100%. This is a 1 hour time frame, and as you can see, this is dollar index. We analyzed that this was going to happen, and I told us yesterday that the meeting yesterday will decide what will happen in the market for the next 2 months. And the FOMC meeting came out yesterday, and it was actually against US dollar. And as you can see that, you see that we have seen US dollar selling aggressively. Now, this is what we got. We analyzed that this was going to happen, and exactly perfectly it happened. And let's go straight to the next pair because I don't have time for this. We analyze also that this was going to happen. All right, they should trade into this FVG, then come back to this particular place and do what? Go up. And that was why we drew this. All right, now before you know what, this was when the news was released, and most of us who attended our live section yesterday will cut this particular move when it was coming there, and now also entered this particular trade on buy. As you can see, when the news came up, and this also happened. All right, then let's go to the next one. These are great opportunities for us in the market. Let's check out this. This one is over 100 pips. All right, then this is GBJPY. We analyze this in the morning that's going to happen, and that's yesterday also will continue taking this for then when it was time to buy, most of them know it was time to buy here, so we sold down, they also we bought up. And as you can see here, guys, this gave us over 140 pips. All right, so then also here, this is AUD/USD. We analyze that this was going to happen, that from here they'll take it up. And as you can see, guys, that perfectly happened. They took into the particular FVG, all right, with just a week when the news started, and they went this far. All right, and this gave us about about 92 pips. Okay, then this is USD cards. Some person that took this trade on sale, all right, and this trade began to misbehave. That was somewhere here. I think that was somewhere here. All right, so I was like, okay, you can see, hold on. Then, but then as you can see, guys, it traded into the particular FVG. Then when it traded into this level, what happened? It flushed down. As you can see, this gave us also about 91 pips. Okay, and if you check here, exactly, this is USD CHF. We did not talk about this trade in the office because we just selected some few pairs and we did justice to that. But as you can see, it played out the manual exactly as analyzed. See, this gave about 80 pips. That USD JPY just perfectly as analyzed, As you guys can see, this gave us also about 200, about 200, sorry, yes, about, what's happened to this pair? Is it real? I'm sitting something pips here, but it's more than that, Okay, yeah, this USD/JPY, this is about 202 pips. Let's get to the next one. Then look at NZD. NZD gave us about 83 pips. You can see now, this was our analysis. And sometimes when we're analyzing, some person will just think maybe we're just joking or something. So they got to look at that other block, like I told us when we were gisting in the office, that if it didn't get down to that particular level, at least get back to this particular block, and that was what we got. Then we have a reversal from here to this particular level. Then we have this one perfectly gold. So the future of gold has already been decided. Gold gave about 203 pips. Okay, Nasdaq, amazing. So you can see Nasdaq is on the run about 516 pips. Okay, so these are just things we analyze this market, and when this was happening, is that told us something that we want them to come and hit this particular level. And so guys, so this was the outcome of the news. So we don't just gist or joke in this industry. We just tell you exactly what will happen, and it happens. Then from here to here directly, this gave us about 141 pips. All right. So that. Our trades, our analysis goes 100%. But the challenge some of you we are having, my students, you're having is you don't know when to take this particular trade. Like I told you guys, you have to wait for stop count first before you think of taking the trade to the area that has been, the direction that has been analyzed that it's going to get to. So guys, today we'll be having our live section again. Make sure you subscribe to the live trading section and do your funding as expected. Then you come to the office. If you are working, then you can join us online. Thank you very much, guys, and do have a perfect day. Our daily market review will soon come out, so kindly go to our YouTube and check it out. Thank you.